Bamboo and rattan, pride of nature, friends of humanity. With the aim to protect, cultivate, and sustainably exploit the world's bamboo and rattan resources, as well as give full play to the potential and value of bamboo and rattan, the International Bamboo and Rattan Organization, INBAR, was established in 1997. INBAR is the first intergovernmental organization headquartered in China and remains the only international organization that specifically focuses on promoting bamboo and rattan for sustainable development. The mission of INBAR is to improve the well-being of producers and users of bamboo and rattan within the context of a sustainable bamboo and rattan resource base by consolidating, coordinating, and supporting strategic and adaptive research and development. Thanks to the robust support from the international community, particularly from the host country, China, INBAR has grown steadily. As the number of member states from Africa, the Americas, and Asia-Pacific region continues to grow, INBAR has also successively established 5 regional offices in India, Ecuador, Ghana, Ethiopia, and Cameroon. To realize its mission, INBAR has been making active and fruitful efforts across different fields, such as environmental protection, poverty alleviation, and livelihood development. INBAR is actively engaged in addressing climate change, restoring degraded land, protecting biodiversity, and conducting a global assessment of bamboo and rattan to take full advantage of the unique role bamboo and rattan can play in protecting our environment. INBAR supports scientific and technological innovation, the cultivation and upscaling of existing resources, capacity building, and the promotion and use of a wide variety of diversified products, as well as showcasing the positive contributions of bamboo and rattan to the development of a green economy and livelihood improvement. Rich cultural products improve our quality of life, and in turn, we strive to protect, pass down, develop, and carry forward bamboo and rattan culture. INBAR is an observer to the United Nations General Assembly and holds public events on the global stage to build an international platform for exchange and cooperation. Working to implement the Global Development Initiative, INBAR and the Government of China have jointly launched the Bamboo as a Substitute for Plastic initiative and are now formulating its Global Action Plan, which contributes to reducing plastic use and carbon footprints in order to build a community of life for humankind and nature. Heads of state from China, Ethiopia, Ecuador, Colombia, Cameroon, and Madagascar, as well as heads of agencies of the United Nations, have praised INBAR's achievements in a variety of different ways. INBAR is now gaining increasing international visibility and influence. Looking to the future, INBAR formulated the Strategy 2015 to 2030 document and will continue to work with member states and international partners to help countries through the Belt and Road Initiative and South-South cooperation and realize the UN Sustainable Development Goals. INBAR will forge a unique path to make a real positive difference and work together with others to bring about a clean and beautiful world.